Hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about torque and rotational inertia. Let's get started. So let's start off by talking about what torque is. So we're gonna be using this example to talk about torque. And torque is a measure of rotational force. Now how we determine torque is by multiplying R with F. So what are R and F? R is the length of the lever arm, and by lever arm we're referring to literally the lever arm, and the length of the lever arm would be the difference between where we apply the force to where the object of interest is actually rotating. So this distance right here is the R, it's the lever arm. And then force is the force that we apply to the lever arm. And then theta is the angular difference between the vectors R and F. So that would be this angle right here. So that's why when we